Hey, it's Seth. Thanks for checking out my channel. I'm just running on some local trails. People have been asking me how my knee's doing in the wake of my knee surgery about a month and a half ago, and I thought I'd give a little update. As you can see, doing all right. Good enough for me to run. At the end of March, I had arthroscopic surgery on my left knee for a torn meniscus. They didn't repair it, they just cleaned it up, basically meaning they trimmed away the jagged parts that were catching and causing me pain and discomfort when I was running. So after about a week, I was given the okay to start incorporating some running into my walks. I started with like a little bit of jogging here and there, 30 seconds here, a minute there. And then after about a couple weeks, I began running a few miles at a time. And here I am a month and a half out, and I can do about 5 miles of running pain-free. The knee will definitely ache later in the day after a hard effort or even like a moderate effort. And I still spend a lot of time icing it in the evening. It's only in the last week that the swelling's really started to go down. Up until that point, it was very swollen most of the time. It's still a bit swollen, but much better than it was. So they said that's normal. It could be swollen for a few months. So it's starting to go down a bit, but still got some puffiness there. Started doing hot yoga twice a week. That's been a big help as well. Nothing too big coming up in the near future. I will be out west in about a week, and I plan on doing some hiking out there, but nothing too crazy. Probably. My PT and my recovery in general has been focused on getting my left quad stronger. That's really the crux of the issue. I can still really feel it if I'm running on steep downhills. The quad's just not strong enough to hold that knee in place, and so that's when I get pain and discomfort. So as of now, I'm still walking down hills, but anything that's a moderate grade, I can definitely run down, and if I feel any kind of weird sensation down there, I just back off and walk for a bit. Getting that quad stronger has been a priority. It's getting there. The yoga helps a lot. And the flexibility and strength is definitely returning to that quad, so happy to see it. So overall, yeah, I'm very happy with the progress I've made. I feel good. I'm just slowly ramping up my mileage. So thanks for watching the short one. Appreciate everyone's kind words and well wishes. And I will see you on the next one.